In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some slides and create some text. So I've already selected a theme. I'm using Beach Day, and I'm going to add another slide. So I can go to Insert and New Slide. You see there's a keyboard shortcut for Control M. That'll bring it up. And it adds this slide to it. Now there's different layouts in slides you can change. So if you go up to the Layout button, I can have a title slide, what's called a section header, title and body, which this one is, title in 2 columns, all kinds of different options. So I'm going to go here to section, title, and description. And I'm going to change this to say technology in my life. Get rid of that. I do a lot of things. Okay, so it says click to add text over here. But I'm not going to add text. I'm going to add a photo. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to delete. Actually, let me click Control and Z for undo. And instead of a photo, I'm going to add text. Mr. Miller. Looks like a true statement to me. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that text, just clicking and dragging. And this is where I can change my fonts. I click and I scroll down and I have several fonts to choose from. I'll click this guy right here. If I want to change the font size, I can come up here. I can also click this button. I'll shut this themes window down here. And I can align it, make it centered, make it align to the right. It looks better. I can even go here and hit the enter button. Click, hit enter. I can change the size and I can even change the color. Now, when you change color, obviously you want a good contrast. So light background means you want dark text. If you have a dark background, or if you have a light background, you want dark text. If you have a dark background, you want light text, and then the opposite. Light background, dark text. And dark background, light text. That's what I'm trying to say. So this one looks okay. I'm going to change the font here a little bit. You can make it bold. It's not really bold enough. So you can play around with a lot of different fonts here. That's not really great contrast. Well, it's a good contrast, just not very attractive. So you can play around with different colors. That one looks a little better. You can also move this around to where you want it. So that's how you play with text, how you add text boxes. If I wanted to add another text box, I could click up here to text box. I can add a text box here. And I can type whatever I want. Then I can move that around, resize it, click and drag these little buttons, and I can move things around wherever I want it. I can even, when I click on the edge of that, use the arrow keys on my keyboard and move them around wherever I want. Those arrow keys are right next to the number keys on the right side of your keyboard.